Hello everyone. Good Monday afternoon. Hope everyone's having a great day. I received a HelloFresh order for the week. Haven't received it in quite a bit. I'm excited, so let's go ahead and make a recipe. This is the inside of the box. The first one that I'm pulling out is the Garden Fresh Ricotta Spinach Ravioli. This one is the Teriyaki Ginger Salmon. And the third one is the Pub Style Shepherd's Pie. Here is the spinach ricotta ravioli. I love that design. Hamburger, which I do not eat, so I'm going to need to substitute that with maybe some soy. And then a flank of Atlantic salmon looks delicious as well for a separate recipe. So today I'm making the garden spinach ricotta ravioli. This is the inside of the bag. Comes with everything except the olive oil, a little bit of salt and pepper, and 1 teaspoon of butter. And here are the ingredients that I'm going to be dicing up and separating and getting ready for the stir fry. And then, of course, the spinach ricotta ravioli, which I'll be boiling. Water is boiling. This is the zucchini, scallion, 2 sour cream, tomato, lemon, Italian seasoning, and a veggie sauce, and the Parmesan. So let's go ahead and get that spinach ricotta ravioli dropped into that boiling water. Again, I love that design on that ravioli. It's so cool looking. And here are all of the diced up vegetables and a little bit of lemon zest. They're not all added at the same time. So while this is boiling, I'm going to get the stir fry going with the vegetables and add some Italian seasoning. Olive oil is what's in the pan. This is the veggie seasoning. This is a vegetarian dish. $43 for 3 meals for the week. Pretty good deal. Added the sour cream. Gonna thoroughly stir that through. If anyone's interested in a discount code, I will link it below so you can get the same deal. These 3 meals feeds 2 people. And you can see all these ingredients that come with it. Really good deal. And then the ravioli is done and drained, so I have added it to the sauce. Going to stir it up really well. And then we'll go ahead and get that into the bowl here. Added a little bit of the green scallion on top with some Parmesan. And it's done. Looks absolutely delicious. I would recommend this one if anyone's interested in vegetarian meals that they have. So again, I will link the link below if you're interested. It was $43 for the 3 meals that feeds 2 people. And that's it for my HelloFresh for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And everyone have a great day. Thanks for watching.